If your white t-shirt looks too tidy, you're missing out. If you dream in rainbows, you're already one of us. Grab a brush. Let's get splashing. At the paint bucket party, there's just one rule. Have as much fun with color as you can. Forget staying inside the lines. Here, you can swirl, splatter, and splash paint wherever you like. Want to make a giant rainbow on the wall? Go for it! Fancy mixing blue, pink, and yellow to create a crazy new color? Yes, please. Grab your brushes, your buckets, and maybe even your hands, because anything goes. Not just canvases. Paint huge murals, doodle wild patterns, or even let your mates add a splash to your sleeve. Every masterpiece is as unique as you are. And the best bit? You get to show off your wildest, silliest, most creative ideas. No rules, no wrong colors, just pure fun. By the end, you'll be covered in colors and laughing so hard you'll want it to last forever. So, unleash your inner artist, invite your friends, and let's make the world a brighter place, one splash at a time. Are you ready to dive in? 3, 2, 1. Splash! Come join the paint bucket party, where creativity runs wild and every color is welcome. Remember, every color is special, and every artwork you make is magical. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more creative adventures. See you at the next color party.